Um, Melon? Yes, guys. You know what's happening? What's happening? Have you even checked the computer? There's a flood going around. Oh, yeah. It's already right outside. Flooding our house lately. Yeah, Melon, and we gotta get out of here some reason. Why? Because maybe the house will fill up of water and we might drown. Basically, the house is almost sinking. Wait. Ah! Ouch! Cactus, you okay? Yes. Wait, the house is sinking. Oh, bruh, there's an ad. Is this supposed to be a diva? Bruh.
I mean, that's a good thing, right? I guess so. What's that? What the heck? Wait, there's a leaf on the ground. Ow. That must be the apple. How did she become a skeleton, though?
Oh no, the house is flooding down. Guys, this is not safe here. Guys, this is not safe here anymore. We gotta find something we gotta get upstairs. If it floods more, then we gotta go somewhere. Let me in. Melon, get up. I am, because I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out, guys. My gosh. Oh my gosh. They're having a hard time there. I'm gonna help. Okay, I can't believe the world is flooding. And there might be a sea monster here. What the heck is going on? I'm getting in, guys. I will save you. Oh, frick. I kicked the door. Well, it's okay. I could just pass in. Oh, no, I'm going to drown. Guys, Among Us and Among Us Red, what are you even doing here? You're supposed to be in the Among Us universe. Well, I just came down here and I came to help. Tomato and robot, just come. It's because of the rain. Coral, come on too. There's so much, there's a flood going around. Yes, there's a flood going around. Killing people lately. Dude. Yes, they killing people, and there's a sea monster too that kills people too. At least we have weapons. But what if our weapons actually fall? And I hope my Jeep does not get eaten by a freak. Oh, frick. Dang it. It left. I hope my ship does not get eaten by that freak. Whoa, guys! The house is flooding! Guys, the house is flooding even more. What do we even do? Swim. Ugh. Guys, do you even just want to have fun? Coral, do you wanna get in?
Basically, yeah. Cause I am
Coral. Just kidding now, cause y'all are in my way. I'm not gonna go, cause y'all are in my way. Whoop, the house is flooding some reason. I don't know what's causing this. This might be a secret. Or somebody's trying to kill us from a flood. But there's no escape from this stupid house. Boba, shut up! Even though, how did you even come here? I woke up, or I don't know. Guys, I think we should break this window to get out of here. Hell nah, we're not gonna swim. Coral, do you know that you're a coral? And if you go to the sunlight, you might die. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's true. Everybody stop talking, and we need an idea to get out of this house, or we might get drowned or get eaten by a monster. Yeah, let's just listen to Among Us, Red. Oh, guys, how do you even break this window? Are you crazy? You know how I hate water. I don't like to swim. Well, we need to leave a sacrifice. No, as Among Us Red said, we gotta find an idea. When everybody was thinking about something. Yep. Sorry, I paused for there because I already know that. There's an ad and the same ad. Be out of this. Let's see. Diva girl. Get out. This diva. Or this bad girl or something.
get out of here, please.
Get out of here. Bro.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all I do.
Okay, guys. So.
Right.
Okay, guys. So. Ah! The house is flooding! Oh no! You know what? Tomato, don't be scared. Okay, guys, we gotta think. Guys, we gotta throw something. We gotta delete something. Robot can delete. Yeah, but we need an idea. Everybody stop talking. Everybody shut up. Among Us Red. Everybody shut up, and we gotta find an idea. Why we just don't get your boat? My boat already gone to the ocean and it sank. Really? Yeah. But guys, we got a no idea. How about we take my computer and throw it? Hell no. And then you're gonna ask, I want a computer. Hell no. And you're gonna ask, I want a computer. And then yeah. You're gonna about to say that. I swear you're gonna say that in the future. I swear. Then what do we do? Guys, stop talking! I have a boat. Wait, you do, Apple? Yes, but how many people do we have? Wait, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 people. Let's see how many do I have. Let's see how many do I have. A speedboat? No. Inflatable, which is 4. And then, yeah, and robot's gonna drown. I don't know why it's so laggy, but let's just pretend that's not so freaking laggy. The house is breaking apart. What do we even do? We don't freaking know.
Oh gosh, he's lifting my boat up.
Everybody kick robot out of this place. Wait, what? Yeah, robot, sorry. Wait, you should not do this. I'm allergic to water. Wait, water, please. System, okay, you're at.
No, that wasn't a compliment.
Okay, somebody died. Oh no, they freaking left. Then we had to swim. No. Everybody get in the boat. Guys, the house is going to flood soon. Then how are we going to get? Oh, yeah. Dragon fruit. Basically, I'm going to break the window with this computer. Then throw outside. Apple, why the frick did you do that? Melon said we're not gonna buy another one. Well, too bad. So sad. Well, too bad and so sad. Wait, what happened to the weapons? Wait, why is it deleting? Wait, at least we have a melon. So everything deletes when we're talking.